What's poppin', everybody? It's Michael Walter here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I am covering countless questions about stretching carpet. No particular order, a whole flood of these came in, so we're just gonna fire away and answer all of your carpet stretching questions. So, first question that came in, how to stretch carpet without moving furniture? Well, if you need a restretch done, the only way to stretch it without moving furniture is hopefully there's a wall open with no furniture on it and you can pull all the slack out to it. So in most cases you do have to move the furniture to get a great stretch on the room. So expect to move some form of furniture if you need your carpet restretched, but you don't necessarily have to get it out of the room if the room's big enough. You could set it all to one side, stretch out that one half, move the carpet over, pull it the other way, trim and tuck it all in, you're good to go. But expect to move the furniture in one form or another. How much will carpet stretch? Not as much as you think. So if you have a house with a bunch of waves in it, everywhere the carpet's really relaxed and you think you're gonna pull a foot out the other end, really you'll pull an inch or two out of it and that will take all the slack out. Now at first glance you're gonna look at it and think, you're gonna stretch a massive amount out. It doesn't stretch as much as you think. So a lot of people get in their heads that, it's gonna pull so much. Don't expect that much. It doesn't take a whole lot to tighten up the carpet and get it back good to go. So how to stretch carpet yourself. I'm gonna come back to that one. We're gonna go ahead and do an on-site video because I know I have a bunch of them in the pipeline already, but I'll create a new one showing how to stretch carpet yourself. Why does carpet stretch after cleaning? So carpet will stretch out and relax after you have it steam cleaned because of all the moisture in the carpet. Really relaxes it, causes it to buckle out every which way. A lot of times it drying on its own, it will shrink back up. So the excessive water will make it relax and stretch out. Sometimes it'll shrink back into place, but you could also have a carpet guy on standby either before or after cleaning to have it stretch out nice and tight so you're getting everything, all your maintenance calls done in one shot. But why is it stretch after cleaning? Because there's a bunch of water on it and it's super relaxed. Who can restretch carpet is the next question. Carpet guys can restretch carpet. That's who restretches carpet. Carpet cleaners sometimes will restretch carpet too. But yeah. So any carpet guy can restretch your carpet. Stay away from big box stores. They typically don't take service calls. So you want to deal with the smaller guys in your area. So where do you find these smaller guys? Go to your friends on Facebook. Ask them who they know in the carpet business and then hire them. And you could expect to pay about $50 a room with a 2-room minimum to have your carpet stretched out. So expect a service call. If you just have one room, expect to pay $75 to $100 just to get somebody out there to stretch it out. Multiple rooms, figure about $50 a room. What we got next? Which way to restretch carpet? That's another one. I should draw a diagram out or just show you on site. But if you have them going this way down your room, this is gonna be real creative here. So you got a whole line going down this way, you wanna stretch them all out that way or that way. So whichever way the line's going, go ahead and stretch across to pull that slack out. I know that was horrible there, but that's what you're getting. I'm gonna draw it up for you though in another video. What we got next? Can carpet cleaners stretch carpet? Yeah, a lot of carpet cleaners do service and repair calls. So if you're having your carpet cleaned, ask if they restretch it either prior to the cleaning or after the cleaning. They could get it nice and tight for you and you're good to go, ready to move forward. Can you stretch carpet without a knee kicker? You could use a power stretcher, you can use a mini stretcher, you can use the bear claws, so different stretching tools. I'm sure there's some rock star hillbilly out there that knows how to do it with a screwdriver. I haven't seen it yet. I would love to see it. If you know how to do that, shoot a video, hit me up. I'll promote the heck out of you for doing that. But you need some form of carpet stretching tool to get it stretched out. What we got next? Do you stretch carpet before or after cleaning? We kind of covered that twice in this video, but there's no right or wrong answer. We do it both ways. My buddy who owns a big carpet cleaning in our area, we do all of his service calls for him. He always wants us in prior to. So he wants us to come in, get everything nice and tight, and then he cleans it after the fact. A lot of times we'll come in after the carpet cleaners while it's still wet. We get soggy knees, but it stretches really nice at that point. And so there is no right or wrong answer to that. You could do it before or after. Either one is fine. So that is all the carpet stretching questions that had came in for this video. I'll create additional videos covering those few little questions that we had in the pipeline here. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions about the carpet and flooring industry, be sure to comment below. I'll create a video just for you, and I'll catch you on the next video.